morning all dear students. How are you all? So let's start today our maths subject, and today we are going to continue lesson number 4, counting in tens. So see in workbook question number 5. So in question 5 on page 42 of your workbook. So question is, answer the questions based on the picture. Your pictures are given and you are going to see that picture, and questions are asked. Just see the picture and give answer of the given questions. So here is the picture. Okay, mother and a small girl. This is the picture you are going to see. Pencil box and extra pencils. You can say loose pencil also, that is out of packet. And how many box of pencil are there? 1 box, 2 box, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 box are there, and in each box, that is for example 1 box, 10 pencils are there. So 6 box, so total how many pencils? And out of box, that is out of packet, how many loose pencils are there? Okay, so questions are based on this picture. So first one, how many pencils are there in one packet? So in one packet, how many pencils are there? So here it is first packet you see, and already this same question we did in the textbook. So you can zoom and see the picture, how many pencils are there in one packet. So already I gave you your answers. So one packet contain 10 pencils. Okay, so here it is answer 10 pencils. Okay, so here you are also going to write that 10 pencils. Second one, how many packets of pencils are there? So how many packets are there of pencils? You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So answer here it is 6 packets are there. And third one, how many pencils are there outside the packet? So these are the packet. Outside the packet, how many pencils are there? 1, 2, here 2, 1, 2, here 2. So 2 and 2, 4, and this way also you can count 1, 2, 3, 4. So answer is here 4 pencils are there. Now question number 4, how many total pencils are there? So each you are going to count. For example 6 packet, okay, and loose pencil, that is the out of packet. So how many total pencils are there? So here it is answer 6 packets. So 10 times, sorry 6 times 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 6 and plus this 4 out of packet. Okay, so 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 plus 4, 64. So 64 pencils are there. The total pencil are 64. Next question, question number 5. How many such packets can be made if there are 47 pencils? For example, here it is a question is given. If 47 pencils are with you, so how many packet you can make of 47 pencils? So one packet contains 10 pencil. Okay, so 47, so 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 packet. Okay, so here 4 packet are ready with 10 pencil, and remaining 7 and 7 pencil out of packets. Okay, so here it is answer you are going to write only 4 packet you can make. Okay, so answer is this 4 packets. So 4 packets. And next question is that, and how many pencils will be left loose outside the packets? Okay, so 7 pencils. So here it is everything. 4 packet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 40 pencil, loose pencil 7. So 40 plus 7, 47 pencil. So you can make 4 packet of pencil, and each packet contain 10 pencil. Now next picture, and regarding that questions are the, here is the picture. This also question given same in the textbook. You can see in that also if it is not clear in mind. So once again this question is repeated in your workbook. Okay, one girl is there and a packet of bindis. So question is, how many bindis are there in one packet? So in one packet how many bindis? We will count that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Each packet contains 10 bindis. So here our answer is 10 bindis. Okay, one packet contains 10 bindis. Second question. So here it is, second question. How many packets of bindis are there? So how many packets of bindis are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So our answer is 7 packets. Third question. How many total bindis are there? So total number of bindis of each packet. Okay. So it is easy, 7 packet. Each packet contain 10 bindis. Okay. तो ऐसे कितनी बिंदी है? सारे पैकेट है वो 7 है. 7 पैकेट का एक पैकेट में 10 बिंदीज. तो 10, 10, 20 प्लस 10, 30 प्लस 10, 40 प्लस 10, 50 प्लस 10, 60 प्लस 10, 70. So total बिंदीज आर 70 बिंदीज. तो 70 बिंदीज कैसे आया? तो यहाँ पे ब्रैकेट में आपको दिखा रहे हैं कि एक पैकेट में 10 बिंदी है, तो ऐसे 7 पैकेट का 10 बिंदी आप काउंट करो तो आपको 70 बिंदी है वो मिलता है. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. ओके, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 70 bindis. Next question. How many such packets can be made if there are 58 bindis, and how many bindis will be left loose outside the packet? आपके पास 58 bindis है, so how many packet you can make of 58 bindis? So it is easy. Here is the bracket. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 packet, 10 bindis. Okay, and loose 58, so 8 loose bindi. Okay, so you will get 5 packet and loose bindi, that is the outside of the packet, 8 bindis. Okay, so question is clear, and I had also shown you in the bracket that how you get answer. Now we see on the next question. Number 6. Complete the group of 10 by drawing the missing bindis in the picture below. Okay, so one example already done for you. So here it is one example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 10, 10 का आपका करना है. तो 6 are given. How many you need? 1, 2, 3, 4. Question number 6. Complete the group of 10 by drawing the missing bindis in the picture below. So one has been done for you as an example. 6 bindis are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and remaining bindi you need to complete one packet of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 10 bindis. So same way second one we are going to do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 are given. So how many you need to complete 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. ओके, अगर नहीं समझ में आया तो फिर से. एक पैकेट, ये आपका पैकेट है बिंदी का, इसमें आपको 10 बिंदी बनाना है. इसमें कुछ बिंदी जो रेड कलर की है वो दी हुई है, और 10 कंप्लीट करने के लिए जितनी बिंदी बाकी है उतनी आपको ऐसे स्मॉल स्मॉल सर्कल बना के 10 का बॉक्स कंप्लीट करना है, 10 का पैकेट कंप्लीट करना है. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 बिंदी दी है आपके पैकेट में, और कितनी बिंदी की ज़रूर है 10 करने के लिए? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 और ज़रूर है, तो ये हो गया 10 का, तो ये भी हो गया 10. नाउ थर्ड वन 1 2 3 4 4 हो गया. हाउ मेनी यू नीड? दिस वन इज 4. ओके, दिस वन इज 5 प्लस 5. आंसर इज दिस 10. यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी 4 है. हाउ मेनी यू नीड टू कंप्लीट 10 बिंदी पैकेट? 1 2 3 4 5 6. सो प्लस 6 यू विल गेट 10. तो यहाँ पे आपको 6 बिंदी की ज़रूरत है. सेम वे नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नेक्स्ट सम 1 2 3 बिंदी ऑलरेडी है. हाउ मेनी यू नीड? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. सो प्लस 7 आपको मिलेगा 10. अगेन नेक्स्ट सम 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9 है आपके पास. कितनी ज़रूरत पड़ेगी आपको 10 करने के लिए? प्लस 1. सो आंसर इज 10. ओके, सो व्हाट टाइप ऑफ एडिशन? नेक्स्ट वन 1 2 3 4 आर गिवन. और कितनी की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी आपको 10 करने के लिए? 1 2 3 4 5 6. सो 6 प्लस 4 10. क्लियर? अगेन नेक्स्ट वन 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 are given and how many you need? 1 2 3 4. So here is answer 10. Next 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9 are given. How many you need? 1. So answer is 10. Last sum 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. How many you need? 1 2 3 and 10. Okay, so you are going to do just this circle only. आपको ये सम नहीं बनाना है. सम हमने इसलिए बनाया कि आपको पता चले कितने सर्कल करने हैं. सिंपल ऐसे सर्कल कॉपी करके नहीं रखना है कि पीडीएफ में आया सर्कल बना के रख दो. आपको समझना है, इसलिए हमने आपको ये पेंसिल से बना के दिया है कि कितने हैं, कितने की ज़रूरत है. हाउ मेनी आर देयर एंड हाउ मेनी यू नीड टू कंप्लीट बिंदी 10 बिंदी in one packet. So next question number 7. Match the following. Okay, 1 10s 5 ones. 10 plus 5 15. 2 10s 4 ones. So that is 2 10s, that is 20, plus 4 24. 4 10s, that is 40, plus 2 ones, that is 2 42. 5 10s 1, so 50 plus 1, that is 51. 3 10s, that is 30, plus 6 1, that is 36. 6 10s, that is 60, plus 3 ones, that is 3, 63. Next one 7 10s, that is 70, plus 8 ones, so 78. 8 10s, that is 80. 8 times 10s, 1 times 7, so 1 7, so 80 plus 7 87. क्लियर? इसलिए आपको दिखा रहा है कि आपको पता चले कि 1 टाइम्स क्या है, 1 टाइम 10 एंड 1 टाइम 5. 2 टाइम 10 20, 4 टाइम 10 40, 5 टाइम 10 50, 3 टाइम 10 30, 6 टाइम 10 60, 7 times 70, sorry 7 times 10, so it will be 70. 8 10, so 8 times 10, so 80. और यहाँ पे 1 टाइम है, 5 4 2 1 6, आप देख रहे हो 1 टाइम ही मैंने लिखा है. तो टोटल अब जब करते हो तो यू विल गेट दिस आंसर आफ्टर इक्वल टू. ओके, तो आपको मैच क्या करना है, यहाँ पे आपका क्वेश्चन है और ये साइड आपका आंसर है सेकंड साइड, दैट इज पार्ट बी. तो आपको मैच करना है. ऑलरेडी आप देख सकते हो कैसे पेंसिल से हमने मैच किया है. आपको ये नहीं लिखना है, अगर नहीं समझ में आ रहा है तो आप लिख सकते हो, बाकी लिखना नहीं है, डायरेक्ट मैच करना है. कि 1 टाइम्स एंड 5 वंस कितना होता है 15. तो आपको 15 कहाँ पे है वो देखना है, यहाँ है 15. तो फर्स्ट को 15 के साथ मैच करना. ओके, सेम वे यू आर गोइंग टू डू दिस ईच एंड एवरी. आंसर्स आप देख रहे हो कैसे आते हैं. यहाँ का आंसर 15 है, फर्स्ट का, तो उसको 15 के साथ लाइन आपको खींचनी है। फॉर एग्जांपल यहाँ पे है 15, तो आप देख सकते हो 15 का हमने लाइन जो है यहाँ से सीधा यहाँ पे 15 तक खींचा है। क्लियर? सो यू विल गेट easily how to do from the PDF. Now we see the next question.